Jnana Mudra is primarily used to promote and maintain the stability during meditation postures. Usually, a seated meditation postures such as Padmasana and Sukhasana are used while performing Jnana Mudra. So, this creates an energy seal and encourages a healthy flow of prana. According to Ayurveda, this mainly enhances Vata, and enhanced Vata is in turn leading to enhance the memory as well as to improve the nervous system and pituitary gland function. I'm not exactly sure like how scientifically this can be proven, but by adopting certain postures, certain mudras, I presume that there is a subtle connectivity to hypothalamo pituitary adrenal axis or other axis where there can be modulation of positive and negative neurotransmitters either by negative feedback mechanism or positive feedback mechanism. There is something in it. So that's what we say the number of receptors are maximum in hand compared to any part of the body according to neurophysiology. So there is something in these mudras which will help us to balance certain energy circuits in the brain. So practicing Dhyana Mudra helps the practitioner to focus on attaining true knowledge and wisdom. Also, it enhances mental strength, sharpen the concentration, improve the focus. In this mudra of Jnana Mudra, the other three fingers also represents certain elements like the bigger one Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Sattva represents qualities like understanding, purity, Sattva. The Rajas indicates action, passion and movement, and Tamas indicates an inertia, laziness, darkness and ignorance. When all these three entities are kept straight and the individual consciousness gets connected with higher consciousness, there happens the wisdom, the intuitive knowledge. Iha and Para Jnana. So, the essence of mudras is it is not only physical but it is deeply spiritual, metaphysical. So, you can practice Jnana Mudra in combination of pranayama also, such as Ujjayi, Kapalabhati, Nadi, Shodhana Pranayama, and few other techniques. So, use this mudra for enhancing the concentration, increasing the memory power, increasing the attention span, increasing the memory retrieval. So, to start with 5 to 10 minutes per day of Jnana Mudra. So, simply understand Jnana Mudra, palm facing upwards is called as Chin Mudra, palm facing downwards is called as Jnana Mudra.